Hey, so today I want to show you something you probably didn't know you already have. Did you know you already have AI on your phone? Not an AI app, you don't have to install anything. AI is already on your phone, if you have Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. And I'm pretty sure you use at least one of them to stay in touch with family, chat with friends or daydream about your next vacation. I know I do. And the funny part? You may already have an AI assistant and not even realize it. It's right there inside the apps you're using every day. Let me show you 3 simple things you can do with it right now. So I'm on Facebook and I just typed Malaga, because honestly, who doesn't dream about Spain? Now I'm scrolling through the posts and so many nice ones are catching my eye. Okay, so I found this gorgeous post and I want to leave a comment. But here's the thing. I want to use AI, and I can do that by tapping the Help Me Write option above the text box. Once you tap it, Write with Meta AI opens and gives you some suggestions. But I don't want just any comment, I want my comment in my words. So I tap on the comment box, and I just ask it, how do I say this looks absolutely beautiful? I need to visit. Here's the thing, I want to do it in Spanish. I guess the first one sounds pretty good. And just like that, it filled it in. Now I just add a little emoji and hit post. Isn't that amazing? Meta AI helped me translate and post something in a language I don't even speak. Just imagine, you can drop a birthday comment on your friend's post in their own language and really surprise them, or jump into forums and use Meta AI to unpack complex topics, financial, medical, or anything that sounds a bit overwhelming. It's like having a world-class expert across every field right there with you. You can even translate full conversations instantly. And honestly, there's so much more you can do with this. Now here's my favorite one. I'm on WhatsApp, chatting with my friend about a trip to Spain. And to bring Meta AI into the conversation, you just tag it. That's the key. Every time you need it, just tag @Meta AI. Remember it and send. Look at that. Pretty detailed, right? Days, prices, airlines, everything right here in our chat. Now, if I tap this link 1, this is the source. It's from Expedia. But there's more. Let's take a quick look at another source. Each number is a source you can tap into and see the full details directly. This time, I'll pick 3. And this next one, this is interesting. Oh, this is Momondo. See what just happened? Meta AI went out, searched the internet, compared everything, and brought it back as a simple summary. Pretty cool, right? And I see there's even more I can do here. Wait, can I actually book this? And don't forget the tag. Oh wow, I can. Okay, this is really nice. So you see, there is so much you can do all within your WhatsApp chat. And the best part? Your friend sees everything too. They can tag Meta AI themselves and jump right in. Now I just showed you a simple example, planning a trip with a friend using Meta AI like a travel consultant. But honestly, there are so many ways to use this. Let me show you something really cool. In your group chats with family, here's a real one. Every time my mother-in-law comes across a word or term she doesn't understand, I just tag Meta AI and ask it to explain. Simple. No Googling, no switching apps. I've even used it to explain things like the rose ceremony from The Bachelor. She had zero context for the show, which honestly made it even more fun. At this point, I think she believes I have a PhD in everything. Reality shows included, and honestly, I'm not correcting her. Or it can break down events to help you understand what's actually going on, or quickly fact-check something when it sounds a bit off. Basically, Meta AI is your what's actually happening button in the group chat. And it translates into any language you want. Any language, which just makes everything so much easier. Now let's move to Instagram and see a simple use of AI here. Open your DMs, that's the middle button at the bottom, and you see that bar at the top. Search or ask Meta AI. Tap right there. You'll see your recent conversations. Now tap Meta AI to open a chat. If it's your first time, you'll see a little info screen about AI content. That's normal. And then you're in. Now, in this conversation with the AI assistant, I can ask anything, no matter how simple or complex it is. For this quick demo, I'll just ask a simple question. What events are happening nearby this weekend? And look, it already knows today's date and it's giving me real events happening right now. Concerts, brunches, festivals, all local. And just like we did on Facebook, you see these little link icons? Tap on those to see where the information is coming from. You can open the source, see more details about an event, copy it, share it with a friend, or open all the sources to see everything Meta AI used. And look, these are all local, trusted sources. Right here, Meta AI did the work for you. You didn't have to leave the app, no Googling, no opening 10 tabs. So I showed you how to use Meta AI to write and translate your comments, but it doesn't stop there. You can translate anything, not just comments. We also looked at planning a trip with friends on WhatsApp, using AI as your personal travel consultant. I only ask a few quick things here, but in the next session we're going deeper, finding the best flight prices with AI. You don't want to miss that one. Then we used AI to explain terms, fact-check information, and even find local events happening near you. And that's really just a small glimpse of what you can do. 3 apps, 3 things you can already do, all with AI that's already on your phone. Just type at Meta AI. Now it's your turn to try it. If you like this, follow me for more. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, all at AI 101 for all. And if you ever need help with AI, or you're not sure what to ask or how to ask it, just drop a comment. I've got you.